everyone, welcome back. So today I have a really exciting collection for you. It is PATRICKSTARRR's second collection that he has come out with MAC, and it's just super beautiful. If you are a purple eyeshadow and just themed lover, you're going to love this collection. I used all of the collection pieces that I did receive from MAC in this video today, so that will be at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing this look. All of the products are on my face. So I just wanted to talk about this collection a little bit and let you guys know some prices, show some swatches, and I'm so excited for another collection. I loved his first collection. I was really excited for him because I think he is just the epitome of someone that I saw collabing with MAC. Like, when I thought about it, he just has such an amazing personality. And anyways, I was really excited for his first collab, and even more excited when I saw that the second collab included purple eyeshadows, which are some of my very favorite. So this is called Embrace Your Fiercest Floral Fantasy, is what the press paper says. I mean, I love the look in this, and I believe that the eyeshadow quad that he used is the one that I have, I think. Maybe he used the blue one. I don't know. Oh, it's such a beautiful press picture. And then everything came in here and it says Me So Chic. So I think there are two different collections. There is the Me So Chic collection, which is the one that I got. And then I'm reading this straight from the press sheet. And then there is the Me So Fleek. Now there is a quad in each of the collections. In the Me So Chic, it has this quad right here, and it's called the Stay With Me quad, and that's what I used on my eyes. It has DaddyStarrr right here, which is a muted baby pink with a pearl, and it says it's a matte shadow, which I don't see the pearl in it, but it's definitely matte. Yessss, which is a mid-tone dusty violet, which is a Velux pearl right here. Queen Patrick, which is a bright purple frost right here. And then Nuit, which is a black purple matte, which is down here. Each collection is sold in a bundle with the eyeshadow palette, the blush duo that I'm going to show you, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. From the look of this, it looks like each bundle is $49.50 for US. That's really great. $50 and you're going to get this whole collection, which I think that's such a good price. I'm kind of shocked. I'm wondering if I have the right information, which I will double check that. So let me just go in and swatch these shades. This shade right here is the beautiful matte shade, which I do have on in my crease today, which you'll see at the end of the video. This is the Frosty Purple shade, which I love this. It's almost like a muted shade. Stars and Rockets is what it kind of reminds me of, but it's a little bit more, I would think, wearable because it doesn't have like that duochrome. It's just like a dusty with a sheen. And then you have this gorgeous, like, look how pigmented that shade is. I cannot wait, honestly, to wear this one all over my lid. And then this deep, deep, dark, matte, dark purpley shade. So, which is perfect because if you do not like if you're not like a fan of black, you could use this as an alternative, and it just has those plum vibes in it. So those are the 4 eyeshadows in the Me So Chic collection, and like I said, that is the one that I have today. They come in this little box, I'm pretty sure. So each collection with the quad, the blush duo, the lipstick, and the lip gloss are going to come in a little box, and the contents inside will be part of that whole collection. So the Me So Fleek and the Me So Chic collection. Okay, next thing up is this blush duo. Oh my goodness, this is just so cute. The blush packaging, it's like a super light blush baby pink, and then the floral design on it. Inside it says PATRICKSTARRR MAC. I mean, it's just so pretty. I used this today. Oh my goodness, it is just a gorgeous combination. I love this. It's like a perfect peachy shade, like a super beautiful soft peachy shade with like a little bit of a sheen. And then this is like more of a muted deep bronzy peach, but it's matte. I love the combination. These are like the perfect blushes. in separately, and then if you mix them together, which is what I did today, you're gonna get like a deeper, darker sort of shade right here, which is like this beautiful combination of the two of them, muted shade. I really love this. The formula is really nice. It's pigmented, yet it's buildable. I mean, it just applied beautifully. I think this is a great everyday color on his complexion. I'm sure it is absolutely stunning. So I was really excited when I used this today, and this is definitely going to be like an everyday blush product for me. Okay, next things up in the collection are the two lip products, which I love the packaging of this collection. So we have the lipstick, and in this collection it comes with the one called Sweet MamaStarrr, which is an amplified cream, which is my favorite formula. This is just a beautiful, let me see how they describe it in the words, mid-tone neutral pink. It is a beautiful mid-tone neutral pink. Let me swatch over here on this hand. Oh, it's like so creamy. It's like almost like, I would say it's like a peachy pink shade. Like it's a mid-tone peachy pink. It goes on like really pigmented. It's really creamy. And then this gorgeous lip gloss. This is called MamaStarrr Kiss. I love that he loves his mom so much, and he just like names collections after her. It's just so absolutely cute to me. So this one is a sheer nude with pearl, which I think is perfect for topping. I actually, between the two collections, I'm really glad with the collection that I got, because I just find that for me this is going to be the most wearable of the two collections. The other one has like a more, so this is the lip gloss right there. I mean, it's just a beautiful combination. I have it over the lipstick today. The other collection has a dirty pinkish plum, which is a retro matte, and out of the two lipsticks I just prefer the one that comes in the Me So Chic collection. Also the other collection in the Me So Fleek has a neon pink with blue pearl lip gloss. So for me, I'm just more of a neutral girl on a daily basis, so I'm gonna probably have a lot of use out of this. The other collection also has a soft coral pink satin blush and a muted pink plum matte blush is the duo, and then in the shadows there is a pink coral with gold shimmer, a bright pink with shimmer, a dirty mid-tone pink, and a vibrant dark purple with shimmer. I find that the shadows in here are just a really great, they really work together really nicely. I could do even just like an all matte eye with these two shades. If I wanted to do this dark purple, deep dark shade, frosty shade all over the lid, I could kind of like smoke it out and have like a bright pop on the lid. So I find that this whole collection that I got, the Me So Chic, is definitely right up my alley. All the products performed really well. Congratulations, PATRICKSTARRR, on another really beautiful collection. If you guys have any questions, I will leave the collection link down below. I wonder when it says it's coming out April 19th, okay? So whenever it comes out, I will leave the link to it directly down below. The way that this appears at each collection is $49.50, which I personally think is an amazing price for what you're getting inside of it. A lipstick, a blush duo, I mean, and you end up paying like $40 sometimes just for a blush duo. So to get all of that with an eyeshadow quad, it's just a really great deal. If you're interested in seeing the look that I created with these products, hang on till the end, and I'm about to start going into that. If you just came for the swatches, then I'm gonna let you go right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, first I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this really pretty rose transition color. I'm going to put that through the crease. I was so impressed how this went on. Sometimes MAC eyeshadows don't necessarily like swatch the best, but when you apply them with a brush, they just apply really nicely. So I just built this up in the crease for my transition, and I love the way it built on itself. At first it went on, you know, really nicely, and then it got deeper and deeper and deeper, so you can really build that color up. I also decided to drag it all over my lid. Even though I knew I was going to be using another color on the lid, I just kind of dragged it all over the lid. So we're going to use this really pretty shade. It's really pretty, almost like purpley fuchsia type shade all over the lid. And I'm just putting that down with a flat shader brush and dragging it all over. I thought it applied really nicely, but in the end, I do also go over it with my fingertip, but I mean, still, I think it applies really nicely on its own.
So now I'm going to go in with this deep dark plum shade, and I'm putting that in the outer corner. At first I was going to just go in with this shade. At the last minute you will see that I do go in with the other purple color and sort of smudge out the lash line with that. But I'm just building this up in the crease or the outer corner and dragging it a little bit onto that lid shade. And since I was dragging it a little bit onto the lid shade, I found that oh man, every time I do these voiceovers, I get emails. But so you see, I lost a little bit of the lid shade, so I went ahead and applied it more with my finger, and I thought that it looked really nice there. So I curled my lashes, and I put a little bit of this liner down, which wasn't really, I wish I wouldn't have used a liquid liner. Honestly, if you're going to do this look and do what I ended up doing with the shadow, I would go in with a pencil liner, like a black pencil liner on top. I used this one from, I think this is from L'Oreal. It's a Silkacy liner. It's the purple one. But I decided to go in and smudge my upper lash line because I wanted to use this bright purple. I think it's called Queen Patrick. So I used a small pencil brush and I just went in, and this is why I said I wish I wouldn't have gone in with a liquid liner. It didn't really give like as much of a smudge effect. It stayed a little bit more tight to the lash line, which I guess was fine in the end. But if you wanted a little bit more depth, I would go in with something that's a little bit more smudgeable. But I just kind of smudged that in, and just to give like a little bit of more purpleness to the upper lash line, and then created a little bit more of that cat eye effect with it. So I'm going in with my lower lash line and mixing these two shades, just dragging that under the lower lash line. I didn't do much to the lower lash line, just a little bit of this, just to kind of tie in what we had going on in the lid. And then now we're going with this blush duo. Oh my gosh, I was so impressed with this. I went in with a Laguna bronzer prior to this, and then once I went in with this blush, I was like, holy pigmented, holy peach, I loved it. Going in with the lipstick shade, I love this. It's super creamy. It's a little bit more peachy pink than I thought it would be for this look. I think I would like it less with purples and more with warm tone shades. But I do really love the color on its own, not necessarily maybe with this look. And then I topped it off with the gloss, and that is a complete look. I did pop on some lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all next video.